Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to do another unboxing. So I have to warn you, this is going to be another unboxing video. If you do not like such kind of video, please skip ahead. This is what I would call a very affordable watch. It's a $100 dive watch with GMT complications and small second complications. Oh, I forget to mention that it is also an automatic watch. So from the packaging, maybe you should be able to guess what kind of watch this is. Okay, I've unboxed the packaging and this is the box. Actually, it surprised me because I have several Vostoks here, which I'm going to show to you guys. I have this piece here and this piece here. So the one in the box is going to be my third Vostok watch, and this one, it came with a very nasty plastic box, and then this one, it came with a nicer cardboard box, and I'm really surprised that the new one comes in this very beautiful box. Let's open up. And it is nicely wrapped as well. Here is the watch. This is the Vostok Amphibia. Let me get the hang tag if there is one. Alright, there's no hang tag, but there is this sheet here. So this one is the Vostok Amphibia reference number 960761. We are closer now to the watch. I'm gonna do some peeling off of stickers here. Maybe I will leave those on the bracelet alone because it seems quite hard to remove. But here is the watch. It is a Vostok Amphibia, and then it has a GMT complication, a date complication, and a sub-second complication. And all this is for around $100 US. Can you believe it? And it's automatic, it's hand windable. It has the in-house movement, Vostok in-house movement. I couldn't remember the caliber number, but I'm gonna put it here somewhere. Yep, as you can see, after I give it the couple of winds, you can see that the small second hand starts to move. And let's try to play around with the... So the GMT hand, it's sort of like a slave hand to the hour hand. Some might not call this a true GMT watch, but well, it works. And with this 12 hours, 24-hour GMT bezel, we are able to track 2 time zone here. You might notice that it comes as like a, integrated kind of bracelet case. If I'm not mistaken, this is what Vostok calls the Neptune case. And the bracelet that comes with it has polished mid links, and maybe it's kind of too flashy, and some might complain that a lot of these Vostok Amphibious bracelet, they are not of very high quality. So I have bought, it's very nice that Meranom actually provided options for us to buy this first link. Oops. Let's see, if I remove the bracelet, I can attach this first link here, and from here I can attach like any other kind of watch bands or straps, maybe like rubber straps or even like leather straps, So there is a nice option of putting that. In fact, Meranom also has an option where you buy this watch with the rubber strap that comes with this kind of first link. So there is plenty of option, and it's, to me, the value of this piece is really unbelievable. It comes with a synchron as well. And the case back is in fact very nice. Let me just try to peel off the stickers here. Alright. Okay, I'm back with the watch all sized up for my 6-inch wrist. It doesn't really look very big here because of the almost short or no lux here in this case, because it's sort of like an integrated bracelet case. So it doesn't look oversized even on my small wrist, and it really wears very nice. And I have to admit that the bracelet is not of the best quality. If you look here, they are made up of folded steel. So they are folded steel links here, but they still looks quite nice. And the clasp here is pressed metal, as one would expect from a very affordable dive watch. But this is a true 200 meters water resistance dive watch, there's no doubt about it. And Vostok Amphibia really has a very long history in making dive watches. And yep, that's it for this short video. So if you're new to my channel, please help by subscribing to my channel. It does help me a lot. And you can also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on future videos. I will be doing a full review video for these tools. They are long overdue. Yes, I have to agree, because I have a lot of watches coming in and out and I tend to like forget about them. And this one I will try to make a full review video after a couple of weeks of wearing this on and off. Yep, I think that's it. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.